Hey YouTube, it's me and my friend Phoenix. We are back with another Minecraft video. We have not made one in a long time, but we now
Bees. Beautiful.
Bees.
My first video too.
Yeah, this is Phoenix's first video, and yeah, go check out his channel. It really is pretty cool. This is gonna be his first video, so you'll know if it looks like his first video. This is our
Remember the seed glitch? I was going to show you some glitches, and then it was actually a glitched world.
Yeah, sure. Dude.
That was funny.
We're gonna do this quick.
Oh
And
crap!
just explain some stuff and play.
Why'd I do this again?
Why'd you do what? Huh?
I messed up again.
Oh, sure.
I clicked it while you were still connected. How pimpin' is he?
He's pimping like a boss.
Really?
Oh yeah, dude.
If you see he doesn't have any skins on, you explain why.
Oh yeah. Let's just get into that first. My iPod has broke. It was jailbroken. That's why I could get the stuff, and it would not turn on. So what a coincidence that a jailbroken phone got broken. It wouldn't let me turn it on.
What about your other iPod that you had? Your other iPod, you couldn't even get Minecraft.
But YouTube, we couldn't even get it to work. Or wait, what was I gonna say? God, I even like messed up.
Yeah, you did. The recorder wouldn't work. That he got on the other one.
Sorry,
I don't
guys,
know.
I'm really sick and I feel like crap right now. But
if you hear that in the background, I
He
hope.
wanted us to make a video right now, so this is where we are right now.
Oh shoot! I dropped it. There we go.
Alrighty.
Don't mind the background.
Yeah, we have some noises in the background. I don't think they'll be able to hear it anyway.
Yeah.
They can barely even hear you and me.
Yeah, I know.
And they won't be able to.
Ooh, wow! I have my volume up really high. Ooh, I have cake on this world. Oh yeah, 'cause I've been on this world. Cake.
This might make you lag out.
What? Lava?
No.
Yay, TNT! Now I'm running. Oh, piggies died. You killed the pimpin'
Dude, I
piggies?
like how it only broke like a couple pieces. What?
What the?
What the heck?
Awesome!
Dude, that's weird.
That's cool.
Good thing we're recording these, because that is weird as what?
What?
I guess it like fell down or something. Dude, that's weird. Alright.
I'm glad we recorded this. I'm looking for... We both got that stuck in our head. We watched that last night. And Petticoat Tart. Mine tart?
Put them in there. No.
How many can we fit?
Get in there, stupid pigs. Get in there. There. Keep them going, keep them going. Let me get the...
Holy crap, man. I got trapped.
More minecart. More minecart.
Another pig. Another pig. Another pig.
More minecart.
Another pig. Another pig.
Yeah.
Hi, boys. Are you alive? They're not even down here. Oh, hi.
Holy crap.
How you doing? There's a lot of pigs, dude.
Yeah, I know. Get in there. Get in there. Whoa. This is ultimate. Let me just spawn in. Why is there one dying?
Because I keep smacking him on accident.
No, just don't smack him. Just don't touch him anymore.
I'm not trying to, though. I'm trying to... Oh my god.
I'm getting in one of these.
Yo, you wanna have a ride? Can you even get in my carts?
Yeah. There's a glitch. Yeah, if there was one open for me.
Here.
I'll show you the glitch.
Alright. Show me how you can do this. Here.
I want to ride through it.
There. Just show me how you can do it, though. Where'd you get it? Oh. I never knew you could get in it. How'd you do that?
Bow.
What?
You pull your bow back whenever you're by it.
Oh, dude, that's pimp. That's an awesome glitch.
Awesome,
dude,
right?
That's awesome.
So this little laundry that's been in the washer for
Yeah, sorry guys about that. That is a little annoying, but we had
No,
someone
I got this. Hold on, watch this.
What?
Watch this.
Ignore it, like we said.
Oh, cool! I got it, dude. I held it down. If you hold it down, You just destroyed your own.
Yeah, you get out of here, sir.
All right, I'm gonna get my own.
Yeah, I got a car.
Random cobweb.
Dude, you can drive it.
What? I know.
What the heck?
Didn't know that.
No, this is a weird glitch. Check this out. You get it?
Hold on. Let me drive this around, man.
Phoenix?
Yeah.
Ah,
What's wrong?
car.
Let's just.
Phoenix, come over here. Come on, Phoenix.
No.
Let me show you a cool glitch. Alright, come over here, man.
I'm gonna launch this. Go.
See me?
Yeah.
No, you didn't see me. Come over here, man.
I saw you.
You did not see me. Weird glitch, isn't it?
Yep.
You're not even looking over here.
Yeah, I know. I saw you.
Yeah, come over here, you freaking Jew.
Dang it. I wanna do that again.
How
Hold
you
on.
like that? Well, this is cool how you made this.
Yeah, this is perfect for the thing. Oh, dang it. I really wish I could control it while it's. Yay! No. It shall be take. Dude, it's glitching.
What do you mean?
The first block you can't break.
I like your train track. Where'd it go?
Hey, watch this. Watch this. Just so the viewers see this.
These freaking pigs are freaking
Annoying?
dead.
Goodbye, piggies. See you in the
Oh.
afterworld.
Dude, that was so awesome.
Dude, it didn't even.
That was so awesome.
How'd that not break anything?
That was so awesome.
Sick, man. Dude, I just exploded.
Oh my
Dude,
God.
I can explode the underworld.
Hey, look at this.
Let's explode the underworld.
Look at that. Oh,
Dude,
yeah.
you can't explode the top. Look, you can't explode the top half. Watch. You can't explode the top ground level. This is awesome.
It's like weird glitching. Dude, I'm lagging. We need to stop blowing crap up.
Was it me you're looking for? Hello. Hey. Piggies are gonna die.
No. Don't hurt them. No.
That one's
They're
dead.
brothers.
Goodbye, one.
They're
Dude, how would that not
brothers.
kill that one?
Fine, you want to play hardball? I'll kill your brotherins.
Not the chickens.
The chickens. Hello? Yeah, have fun with that, dude. You can't blow it up. It's obsidian.
I'm blowing up the gold. It's gonna look nice.
That doesn't look too nice. You do know it can't.
It's a glitch.
Dude, what is with this? There we go.
That looks nice. Look. Oh, well. Well, there we go. That looks funny. That looks weird.
Dude, I love the glitch in the 4.0. When they, I think it was 4.0, where they have,
Diamond.
not
No.
diamonds. It was, you get the bow. The bows came out. I think it was bows, spiders, and skeletons were in 4.0.
Can you explode sand? Oh my gosh.
And
can-
I think
You can only,
but there
you
was
can
a
explode.
glitch. Hey, do you remember the glitch? I don't think you do.
No.
But it's, you get a bow,
Mhm.
and whoever the host is,
Yeah.
can kill the other players in creative with the bow. But the
Oh,
players
yeah, I
couldn't
remember
kill the
that.
host.
I remember that. We used to play like
See, you
that.
piece of crap pig.
All right.
Hello, was it me?
Chickens. I love you, chickens. They're my closest brethrens.
Yeah, now they're all gonna die.
No, they need to be on fire so they can be phoenixes. Phoenixes. They're phoenixes
Oh,
now.
I'm lagging. All these
Hey, look.
buttons are making me lag. lag. Kill them
No,
with
it's because yeah, I
fire.
know. No, they're
Kill them
phoenixes
with
now.
fire.
Hey, they're phoenixes now.
Oh,
Hey, they're phoenixes now. They're phoenixes now. They're phoenixes now.
they're dead.
They're not dead. They're not dead. The cake is alive. Remember that?
The
Remember
cake
that
is
glitch?
alive.
I wish I had cake.
Dude, you're making the game lag so bad.
Yeah. Alright, you gotta be a phoenix, Pig. You're a phoenix. Alright, Pig? Remember
this is
that.
probably
Remember
the
that,
reason
Pig.
why I'm lagging so bad.
You're a phoenix, Pidgey.
I have
Pidgey,
animated
you're
water
a...
and everything on.
Dude, the page's the phoenix now.
that's
Look,
all of it.
the page's the phoenix. He just died.
Oh yeah, I was on
You,
fire.
you gotta watch this video. I just lit this pig on fire.
Maybe I won't. Maybe if it.
I lit the...
freaking upload it. We will.
Dude, I lit this pig on fire. I light this pig on fire, and it looks like a phoenix. Look at it.
Yeah, it's cool looking.
And then they die.
Hello.
It's funny when they run, because it looks like they're running on fire. You're on fire! Oh, well, this one won't move. It's just trapped in fire.
From lag, and only we're freaking using all the things that cause lag.
Yep.
It's messed up.
I don't know why.
We're not good people.
I know, right?
It's lagging.
I know how to make a blizzard.
Do you know how to make a blizzard?
Yeah.
How do you make a blizzard?
You.
You'd be awesome. Maybe that's how you be a blizzard.
I'm making a blizzard. A blizzard passed by here. I wonder who it was. You.
Yeah.
That's just like...
Nobody will ever know.
Ready? Well, I just screwed your friend.
Standing in the fire.
Whoa.
Boss.
Dude, I'm firing this ice, and it's gonna make water. That's what phoenixes do to you.
Is that true?
Yep, because I just created water. They burn you, and then you turn to water. Oh shoot! Get Karma! Get back! Get back! Don't stretch me! Oh shoot! Shoot! This is gonna suck, man. Dude, look at all this water. Look at all this water.
The dog attacked Phoenix.
Oh shoot! Ah, gosh dang it!
Get back.
Get back!
Connor.
That's our dog. Well, it's my dog.
Oh, dude,
Anyway. Oh my gosh, I just flooded the inside of the cave. I just flooded this whole cave. You know that cave you
the
made?
dog's attacking me now, and I'm just. I got this, dude. I got this.
Oh shoot. Blocking the holes. Blocking the holes. Blocking the holes. You're not getting in there, witch.
Alright, dude, I think we should end it now.
No, hold on.
Other crap gets.
Happen.
Yup.
Yup. We should end this.
See you guys later.
Bye.